Make My Brand AI is the newest AI software on the market, and in this review, I'm going to break down the 7 crucial things you need to know before deciding if it's right for your business. Stay tuned because I'll be giving you some insights into how this tool works and why it could be a game changer for your marketing strategy. First off, Make My Brand AI is designed to streamline your digital marketing efforts with cutting-edge AI tools that simplify everything from content creation to brand management. It's perfect for businesses looking to scale their operations without the need for an extensive team or large budget. And the best part? You can try this software completely for free from the first link in the description below. One of the standout features is its SAI-powered content creation. Whether you're building a website, writing ad copy, or managing social media posts, Make My Brand AI can generate high-quality content in a fraction of the time it would take manually. This software pulls from a massive database of pre-written materials, ensuring that the content aligns with the latest trends and keyword strategies. It's an absolute time saver if you're trying to keep up with daily content demands. Another impressive feature is its Kota Swano, customizable brand voice generator. This lets you tailor the tone and style of your content to match your specific brand. Whether you're aiming for a formal, professional voice or a more casual, friendly tone, Make My Brand AI adapts, making it perfect for maintaining consistency across all your marketing channels. If you've struggled with maintaining a unified voice across multiple platforms, this tool has you covered. Social media automation is also built into the software, which means you can schedule posts and interact with followers without ever opening the app. This integration can save you hours of manual work each week and ensures your brand stays active even when you're busy. The AI even helps analyze engagement trends and can recommend the best times to post for maximum visibility. This is especially valuable for growing brands that need to engage with their audience consistently. One of the most innovative features is the Atos AI-driven customer insights. Make My Brand AI can analyze your customer data and help you understand trends, preferences, and behaviors. It uses machine learning to predict what your audience is most likely to engage with, allowing you to fine-tune your campaigns and focus on what truly drives results. This makes it ideal for businesses looking to boost their ROI by delivering more targeted content. What's more, Make My Brand AI integrates with other digital marketing tools seamlessly. Whether you're using Google Ads, Facebook Business Suite, or email marketing platforms, you can pull in data from those sources to better inform your marketing strategy. This integration saves time and keeps everything streamlined in one central platform. A common concern with new AI tools is how easy they are to use, but Make My Brand AI shines in its user-friendly interface. The learning curve is minimal, so even if you've never used AI software before, you'll be up and running in no time. The software provides clear tutorials and support to ensure you're getting the most out of every feature. Finally, pricing. Now, I know what you're thinking, these kinds of tools can get expensive. But the great news is that Make My Brand AI offers scalable pricing. So whether you're just starting or you're already running a large business, there's a plan that fits your needs and budget. And don't forget, you can test it for free by clicking the first link below. If you're in digital marketing or you're a business owner trying to take your brand to the next level, Make My Brand AI could be the tool you need to stay ahead of the competition. After testing thousands of AI tools, I've found that this one really stands out in terms of functionality and ease of use. If you're interested in more AI software recommendations, check out the links in the description below. These are tools I've personally tested and can vouch for, so you'll find some solid options to level up your digital marketing efforts.